Yo, let's do this shit. I thought I'd throw a buddy chat. You's a punk ass nigga. Yo, yeah. Yo, Death Row's in the motherfucking house. Wrecking shit, you know what I'm saying? This is Dr. Dre in the motherfucking house. You know? Yo, I got my homeboys in the house. The dog clown's definitely in here. Yeah. I got my nigga Corrupt, ready to wreck some shit. Yo, you know who else I got in the house? Yo, so diggy ass, step up on that ass. Yeah, guess who else in here? My homegirl Rage. I said my homegirl Rage. Yeah, the lyrical motherfucking murderers in here. Yo, my nigga Glove behind the board. Yo, dropping that funky ass bass line. Yeah, really dope. Yo, Death Row's in the motherfucking house, running the 9 trade, you know, yeah. But right about now, there's a little freestyle session going on in the studio. We just kick it back, getting fucked up and all, you know, puffing on a few blunts, drinking on a little bit of that Tanqueray, yeah. So right about now, hey yo Rage, yo run that shit, G.
Always and forever, forever and always. The rhythm will flow from now on through all days. As long as the sun shines, as long as Eisenhower's on the dime. Yo, I'll be kicking the rhyme. One time for your mind, your soul, your body. DOG's on the side of me, smooth as E&J. Hard as Bacardi, smacking those addy yakking ducks that keep quacking. Here's at a cackling, end up crackling. Under the heat, the pressure from the one that's deafer. Egyptian ruler call me Cleo or Nefertiti. Yes, indeedy. Got the eyes that are beady, body from Tahiti. Voice up the when lyrics blow. Chills up your spine, dissent so. All thoughts in your mind, drop them, yow. You can't mend the front, but you'll be kicked through the back door if you try to step. Try to come and correct, try to play the left. Try to start a mess, try to cause fuss. Try to raise a ruckus, you're in the ashes to ashes, dust to dust, the buster. You must have been bugging on drugs and alcohol. Back off, folio up against the wall. Spread them, dogs, go get them. Handcuff them and stuff them, cold shut them, don't let them utter a word, not to mother or herb. If you try, you die, vision blurred, speech slurred. Serve with a cherry on top. Rage in effect, I just begun to rock. Yeah, rock on with your bad self. Rage, rock on with your bad self. Rage, rock on with your bad self. Rage, rock on with your bad self.
Yo, I'm the nigga that's to pack this tray a slug. A true nigga from the hood and the pound gives love. You see, niggas wanna be down but never came around. So back up upon my nuts and stop sweating the pound. You see, niggas get broke off like 1, 2, 3, cause I'm the DA to the DA to the Z. Now G's pay attention to this young ass Mac Daddy in the caddy, Hattie, not knowing about the city where the niggas hang around. So I roll them up and hit them up with the motherfucking dog pound.
I'm rough and rugged and up to do dirt. I'm from the dog pound, nigga, so I'm putting in work. I'm no joke. Who the fuck you trying to provoke?
187.
It's cold how his ass got smoked. I don't drink no fucking VSOP. I drink the motherfucking OGOE. I'm from the clique that be kicking the gangster shit, bitch. Real niggas, real G with real big dicks. I hit 'em up with the pound. So what you wanna throw up? Claiming your cocaine a cabbie when you blow up? Know what? The pound's in the motherfucking house back again. We try to get high as we can, Dr. Dre. We kicking fat rhymes to produce and kick shit. I get more wicked than Beetlejuice. Motherfuckers get battered, so scatter before I keep you hostage. And then get hostile like the Grim Reaper. So I'm coming from my hood. What hood? You really like to know? Wouldn't you? I thought you knew. Motherfucker, don't you know I'm stranded on the road? I take a look into the crowd, pick a style to flow. I'm massive. Motherfuckers get murdered for action. Relax, kid. You're rolling with a fucking assassin. I last did dirt the other day. Portray the role of a G from the D-O-double-G, P-O-U-N-D. Pound so bow wow, motherfucking marks. The execution starts when the chronic is sparked. I'm like Barkley. Rough and rugged, but raw like raw hair. Rex, I flex murderous rhymes to leave you all dead. What's said is what's said. It's already spoke. The dead is the dead. I ain't no fucking joke. I murder motherfuckers as a hobby. One of my idols ain't no joke. So why in the fuck should I be? Fly me to the Bahamas. Rough drama, dramas. What you kicking? Wicked as how Palmer approach ya. The lobster who's quick to up and smoke ya. You're looking like a smoker, grinning like the Joker. I'll yoke you from the back like a bitch talking shit. Cause a bitch ain't shit but a hoe and trick on my dick. Flip, let's take a trip to the dog pound. Fool tried to pump me when I was young, but I'm a hog now. And I get respect, and I step with a tech 9. Ready to put something up in that ass so you respect mine. Fool, death row ain't lynching, and the pound dogs will you find me, biatch.
Hell yeah. You niggas can't fake this shit, you know what I'm saying? Death Row's in the motherfucking house. The dog pound's definitely in here, you know what I'm saying? And hey, yo, you niggas can't fuck with this, so don't even try it. Stay in the studio all you want, stay in the studio all you want, cause you can't fuck with this. See ya!